two sundown X15s on the MD8K wired at a half, tuned to 29.
Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Yeah, man. Could you tell me your name and what's in here?
Dustin, I'm third in charge at 37 Customs. I got two sundown X15s on the MD8K wired at a half, tuned to 29 hertz. I got lithium. I just put my alternator in yesterday. I got to put a diode in it.
Okay.
But I got, it's a regular box, and I got my amp under the platform.
So you have a platform for your amp rack under the box?
Yes.
So you kind of slid it in underneath. Is your back doors open? Or you fit them with the seats? You had to take the seats out? Is there a way I can kind of see that first?
Yeah, you can slide your seat up.
Okay. Kind of curious to see how you do that.
At the very bottom.
Okay, go ahead and push. There you go. Oh, so you actually slid an amp hidden underneath it.
Yeah.
You optimized your space then, and you didn't mount it here, so it's safer underneath.
Yeah, and it's got two fans on it.
Yes, sir. Let me take a picture real quick. That looks good. Awesome.
I just got it put back together yesterday, so.
Okay, hey, it's all good. You got it planned for the show.
That's right. My alternator had messed up, so I had to send it in.
Yes, sir.
And I got it, fixed.
Yeah. Did the bracing help at all?
Yeah, it's I switched. I had the 4K, the Sundown SCV 4K in here, and I got rid of it and bought the 8K.
Yeah.
And I gained like 2 dB.
Awesome. That's good.
There's a 53.8 on the meter.
Okay.
That's alright. I need to upgrade. I got door speakers and all that stuff.
Yeah.
I just haven't put nothing in.
Okay. Nice box too. Looks good.
He built the box for us. That's the president.
Okay.
And I had 2 of these, and I actually sold him the Matt, and he built a 4th order. He's got 4 of these in his truck.
Awesome.
And I just bought these, plan on getting the 6th order in here.
What is this port tuned to on the 29 hertz?
29.
So you like
peaks at 36.
36. Okay. And you've done a lot of work on the roof to try to stop the flex. It doesn't perfect, but it helps.
Yeah, it's got 6 layers of kill mat, 2 layers on the back.
Sealed off all of the windows and everything back there.
Keeps the pressure in as much as you can.
It's still blowing it out the window.
It is. Oh.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for the demo, man. Thanks for showing me. It looks good.
Thank you, man.
I like it. Nice big curve.
He's from 213.
Yes. working hard. Get that one. I appreciate the demo, man.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.